Take a ride in the 2017 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, remote engine start, power lift gate, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, driver illuminated vanity mirror. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.